everybody, welcome to La Bella Verita. I am Michelle and welcome back Sam. How are you doing?
Good.
You good? So Sam was with me this past July, right? End of July. We did a cooking camp here in this kitchen. I personally had way too much fun. How about you?
Yes.
Did you love it?
Yes.
Okay, so I have to refresh my memory. We made things like omelets, right?
Yes.
We got to flip them in the pan.
Yes.
We made chicken fingers and French fries, which you said needed a little bit more salt.
I said fries.
Fries needed some more salt.
Yeah.
Got it, note taken. And then we made guacamole and salsa and homemade cake. Cookies. See, this is what gets him excited, and me too.
Taco seasoning.
What was different about the cookies and cake that we made? Did it have better ingredients than just regular flour, sugar?
Yeah.
Yes, don't tell anyone the secret ingredient. They'll have to come to camp and figure it out, right? So let me ask you this, your favorite part about the camp?
Probably the cooking and being with my friends.
Okay, so if I had to give an award, I think I'd give Sam the chopping award. He was the best chopper. So you got to use a tool, right? You got to use the chopper, right? And you got to take out all your frustrations, right?
Yeah.
But then you were really skilled and you got to use a knife, right?
Ooh.
And we taught you how to balance your hand on the top and chop pretty quick, right? Yes. So by the end of camp, you were an absolute master. So what do you think? Would you come back?
Yes.
You're gonna come back to camp?
Yes.
Yes, that's awesome. Well, thank you for coming and we'll see you guys at camp.
My name is Sam and I am a survivor.